4.7k from Romania, 4.5k from Algeria, 5k from Bulgaria, 2k from Greece, 2k from Serbia, 1.9k from Brazil, 2k from Bosnia, 3k from India. What's up guys, Spirokovac here, back with another video. I'm quite excited today because I'm gonna show you how to make money online by watching and liking YouTube videos. It's a very simple, straightforward, and anyone can do it. This could be an amazing side hustle to start with. For example, in 3 or 4 days you could earn probably around 50-60 bucks, and that's more than enough to purchase your first hosting, build your first website, and start something more serious online. I mean, you could do whatever you want with your money. You got my point, right? Okay guys, one last thing before we go to the video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I release these videos every single day. And in these videos, I'm gonna teach you how to make money online, work from home, and eventually quit your 9 to 5. Without further ado, let's go into my computer. Okay guys, we are inside my computer now and we are over at microworkers.com. Microworkers is definitely the best microjob platform in the world. There are some other platforms like Rapid Workers and Amazon Mechanical Turk, but after researching them myself and testing them from my own experience talking, Microworkers is the best micro jobs platform in the world right now. So on Microworkers you can find small jobs like watching YouTube videos and get paid to do it. There are also some other small jobs like registering to some forums or browsing some sites, also some other small tasks that you can do on social media. So how it actually works, employers will post a job, and inside the job there will be some tasks that you have to complete step by step. And once you complete these tasks, you have to provide proof that was also requested by employer. Once you submit your proof, it goes back to employer, who is then checking your job, and if you followed all the steps, once he marks that job has been completed, you're gonna get paid for your work. Now, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit around the site and we're gonna see all the types of the jobs you guys can do here. And then we're also gonna take a couple of jobs on the site and I'll take you also and show you how much you can expect to earn, how it works, and what are best paid jobs to do. Okay, then let's start it with the YouTube because we are now on a YouTube, right? And let's see what we can do in YouTube to get paid. And as you can see at the moment we have 10ish YouTube tasks to complete. And guys, I've been around on a website for a couple of days, so I learned the platform very well and I'm able to make this video today for you. And what I've experienced is that on average there are between 30 and 40 YouTube tasks during the day. Also they have very active forum section. There is plenty of jobs in the forums. Very well paid are Twitter tasks, sometimes even above $1. And also Facebook tasks are usually about $0.50. If you're keen and you want to make more money, use the sign up section as well. But then I recommend you to create a separate email account because you could expect some spams coming to you shortly. I'm 100% sure that sooner or later you're gonna catch some spam. Those jobs are usually very well paid, but as I said, there is a big risk of spams. So if you do so, use a fake email. One of the easiest sections is click and search, and what you usually do in this section, you go on a web and you Google for some term, click on certain website from a task and browse around the website for 2-3 minutes. The best paid task I've ever seen was $4.30 and it took me around 20 minutes to complete. So guys, I think if you're looking for a easy money making online method, this is definitely thing for you. Right now guys, before we take a first job, I want to show you how much our best workers earning. So hover over best workers and click here. And now just find most tasks done. And maybe we can select on YouTube. And let's check how much our best people on just of YouTube making on this Microworkers website. It's sometimes really slowly loading, so just be patient. And here we are. As you can see, Romania 4.7k, Algeria 4.5k, Romania again 4k, Bulgaria 5k, Greece 2k, Serbia 2k. Look at these numbers. Brazil 1.5, France 2.5. Look, Bosnia and Herzegovina 2k, Romania again 4k, Brazil 2k, Kenya almost 2k. Look at all these countries. India 1.5, 2k, Philippines 2k. Look, Albania 1k. Guys, this is legit site, especially good for international people, and that's why I'm actually recommending this. I believe it's one of the better options to getting started online because everyone can do these small tasks are like a joke, man. Let's go back to the main platform now. So click on the jobs And then let's check how much is at the moment the most paying job. And at the moment, most paying job is $4. And what I said, it takes around 15 minutes to complete. I've completed one for $4.30 job earlier. It took me around 20-25 minutes. Anyway, let's quickly jump on YouTube. And let's take our first job. I don't know, let's scroll down a little bit. YouTube search, watch, like, comment, and screenshot. I don't like screenshots. Let's try to find something similar without screenshot. Maybe this one. Okay, what it says, 2 minutes, like the video, comment, send me a link to your comment. Beautiful. This is very simple, 34 cents. Open this video. So we're gonna copy paste the bit.ly link. But unfortunately, this one is not working. This is not the best example. Let's go back. Okay guys, I had some problems with my computer, so I'm gonna quickly finish this video and then I'm gonna check what's going on with it. Anyway, let's go to YouTube. So first let's check the tasks. Let's go slowly. So first task, YouTube search keyword, food for strength and energy. Second task, scroll for a little while and find video with this thumbnail. Let's see how this thumbnail looks. Okay, which foods are best. Okay, and let's go a little bit deeper. Watch a minute of a video, comment or reply to any comment. And he also wants us to make it look natural. So let's go here, paste, and scroll for a little while, and it's here. You don't have to scroll for a little while, it's really high. I'm gonna click there, and what we can do here, he says watch for a minute. We're gonna skip the ad. We watched the 1 minute 12 seconds, then we need to provide a comment. After watching this, I'm definitely gonna be more careful with my foods. Thanks, doc. And let's place a comment. Let's go back, accept the job. Okay guys, now what it says, to complete the job you just have to paste a comment URL. To paste the comment URL you have to copy on this 1 second where it says 1 second, or this is his comment URL and this is that comment URL. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy our comment URL, copy link address, and then we're gonna paste it here, and that's pretty much it guys. All we have to do now is click I confirm that I've completed the task. So what, once again, okay, search, watch, like, comment and subscribe. Search, watch, like, comment and subscribe. All done. I confirm I completed the task. Boom, job's done, right? And we just made 35 cents. That's how easy it is. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, smash the like, comment in the description below and let me know what you think about this technique. In the cards on the side, I'm gonna leave how to build a website in 10 minutes, and I'm also gonna put something interesting. So keep watching and I'll see you again.